Hi people, this is Nutty again. Well, I'm gonna have to use my cell because my camera is not working. So this is what it is. Okay, excuse my throat. I got I call it the Sahara Desert. In the summertime is real hard to actually get away from it. Okay, so let's start. Look how big it's gotten. Look how beautiful. It has a lot of them on top here. As you could see. I think you could see. I don't see nothing. Okay. But I had to transplant it. And I didn't do it with the video because, well, I've been trying to get it fixed, but it's not fixing. But what I did, it was, how you call it? Root bound. And I noticed that the little peppers on the top, they were falling off. Two of them fell off. And I think this one right here, right there, is a little yellowish. So I think that one's gonna fall off too. I call it. It was root bound, and every time I put water, by the next day, it didn't have no water at all. So what happens with that? That means that the plant is gonna get weaker. The babies are gonna fall off. Like this one, I could tell you, is gonna fall off. It's yellow. I have more faith with this one though. And these, I think this one right here, I think is gonna go down too, cause it's yellow. But this other one on the bottom, the bigger ones right here, like this one, I think they're gonna make it. So I hope so. And I got my letters up there. Let me show you something. Okay, look how beautiful. And I took and I ate almost part of it, half of it, and look, it still looks beautiful. It's still growing. It's still how you call it? They're not that as purple as they were, but they taste delicious. So I'll probably take some more tonight and let grow some more. I have some seeds, but they haven't grown yet. But I do have some seeds too that has lettuce. And my granddaughter, let me put this here up a minute. My granddaughter tells me that she has a surprise for me. And I'm going, what is it, mamita? What is it? She tells me, I got you letters. I said, awesome. That's great, mama. And the thing is that I had bought, I had bought letters, but I didn't tell her nothing. I want her to be happy, and she's planning to come today, and she's gonna bring it today, cause her other grandma's here, my mother, and she wants to come and see her. She's excited to see her. So let me show you the last. I'm doing it very short, but I want to put the most important thing. Hold on, hold on. I hope it doesn't get all cranky. Okay, you see this one right here? It's already getting green. You see, I don't know if you can see this spot. Wait, I can't see it myself. No, it's too small. I don't see. Yeah, you can see it right there. Is also a baby. The whole thing rotted, but there was a baby coming out. So that one is coming out too. This one right here is coming out too. Which one? All of these is coming out right there. You know. So it looks like there might be some dying, but not all of them. Like this one right here. Let me see if I could show you. I can't get my finger in there. Okay. Right there toward the left, toward the right, there has is a little how you call it? It's a little messed up, but I took it out and there's a baby growing under it. So that's cool. So I'm gonna leave them alone. I'm not gonna do it no more. I don't want to hurt them. So I'm gonna leave them. But as you can see, they were how you call it? They were all brownish and stuff. And look how beautiful it is. It's growing. It's gonna grow new. It has started to grow new leaves, but it's in the inside still. So they are growing pretty good. And I planted. I don't want to move it too much. Okay, I don't want to move it too much. But I planted. How you call it? I planted, what did I plant? I planted more seeds. I put some more seeds there. There's a baby one right there, but I don't know if it's coriander or not. Still, I don't know. I have taken little bits of plants that I think seeds falls here and they started to grow, but it's not a lot, So at least that. I also have my 100-year-old onion, garlic. Look how beautiful. Yeah, right. So everything is working pretty good. I just want to show you this. I wanted to show you also my strawberries. They look like they're getting healthier. They're starting to grow new, I call it new foliage. And I'm going to see the most important part is the strawberries. That's where I have my problem, the strawberries. But anyway, I'm gonna let it be. I'm gonna just keep putting vitamins and everything. The big canister that I had, my soursop, I'm using that to compost because I took the one that was in the air in the corner. It was all broken up, and I don't know. It looked ugly, And people come and they see all that. I still gotta fix. I fixed my kitchen floor. I still gotta fix the balcony floor. Cause every time they lock, it falls off the hand. It falls on the floor. It breaks the floor. So now that I don't have kids, small kids, I'm gonna see if I fix that up too. But I have to wait till I get money. Yes, we're kind of tight at this moment. But we are starting the hurricane season again. Well, usually in September is the danger. Always, most of the time, 99% of the heavy duty hurricanes comes to Puerto Rico in September. And September is the month that everybody is trembling. Me too. I've been trying to get prepared, but I'm not totally prepared. But I do have a lot of canister that I save, milk cartons that they plastic here. And I'm saving them up, and I save gallons of stuff, and I'm gonna buy more soap. We bought this big giant gallon of for $6, and it lasts a long time. We have it past a month already or two, and it's still halfway down the road. And we also gonna get the other soap that I think this came new to Puerto Rico. It's the first time I see it, but we've been buying it since we've seen it. Is the soap, the dishwashing soap. So the dishwashing soap is also another $6. With $12, you get a lot of clothes detergent and a lot of dishwashing liquid. So it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna be prepared with that. These things, as you can see right here, my eggplant. Oh, you can see my eggplant. I plan to take that egg fruit, whatever they call that, eggplant fruit. Because I want to make it in juicing. I don't want it to have a lot of seeds. I don't want to be drinking seeds. I want to drink the fruit. So I'm planning taking that as soon as I decide to use it. Another thing I want to show you. Hold on. Oh, and all my flowers. Oh my God, most of them they went with this heat that it came. I keep pouring water and everything, but it was very, very hot. It was like 102. Sometimes it was 110. Not 10, 103. I think the furthest it went was 4. I'm not too sure. 3 or 4. But it was very, very hot. And the material that has down here, as you can see, is that, how you call that thing? It's like dusty. It's not really dirt. And they use that like for putting seeds, or it came with that. So I've been trying to mix it up with regular compost dirt that's more moist, so they don't get so how you call it, so burned up and so suffocated. So it's starting to work. They're starting to give already, like you can see right there. It's starting to give flowers again, and I don't know. Look how pale they look. I don't know what happened to them. They got so pale. But I'm gonna taste it anyway. If it tastes good, that's all I care about. It'd be funny if those are the white ones. And here, as you can see, because I don't have space, I had to do this. Put them together. These are my orchids. They don't look the best. You know, 'cause I don't know too much about orchids. My mother had one planted in a tree, and it had beautiful flowers. It's somewhere around here, but I do get a lot of baby flowers, and I keep giving them away, and they keep coming back up. But they're doing pretty good. And this is the royal penny royal. Oh, I can't say too fast, or else I say like a lot of you know. So, saying this, God bless you all. It'll be until next time. Bye bye.